Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we are making progress on our ITGC journey, I got a few questions related to sampling, so I've decided to cover this topic in a separate video today as it may help all of you. So today we'll understand what to do if any of the samples fail. What are the next steps? And that was the question I got from many of you. The answer to this question depends on a few factors, and I've listed the factors here. First one is, what is the total population? Second is the total number of samples selected, and third is the number of samples failed. We also have to, before I dive into this area, we also have a couple of assumptions that the review or audit or assessment is for a high risk area, which means technically application server or database is supporting something critical. And the second assumption is the design of the control area is effective. So we are only talking about issues with operating effectiveness, not the design, because that's a separate discussion altogether. You can also watch my video on design and operating effectiveness to better understand what these terms mean, design versus operating effectiveness. But for this specific video, I'll just keep it focused on sampling.